ohmathgad.
Oh my god, everyone, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to write expressions to represent decrements. So let's begin. So guys, the first thing we're going to be learning is the steps in which we can write an algebraic expression to represent a decrease of a quantity. So the first thing you have to take into account is that you have to read the statements you want to express with the algebraic expression, and you have to be very, very careful, because you have to identify if it is a decrement or an increment. If it is a decrement, you're going to be using the negative sign, and if it's an increase, then you're going to be using a plus sign. And last but not least, you have to identify if there is a total value or an initial value that is going to change, right? So if you have an initial value and it's going to decrease, that initial value is going to be subtracted a quantity, okay? So it really depends on the problem. So let's tackle one. So the problem here says, a full grain zillo contains 3,000 cubic feet of rice and it's being emptied at a constant rate of 3.5 cubic feet per second. Write an expression to determine the amount of grain left after S seconds. Okay, guys. So the first thing you have to see is that you are going to identify the total or initial amount. The total or initial amount is going to be 3,000 cubic feet, right? And how much it is going to be decreasing. So it decreases 3.5 cubic feet per second. So this is going to be the quantity that is going to be affecting the decrease. So whenever you're going to express a decrement with an algebraic expression, you're going to express the total minus the amount that is being decreased, and it's generally going to be multiplied by the quantity. So in this case, it's going to be the seconds. Now you have to be paying attention to the question, because the question says, write an expression to determine the amount of grain left after S seconds, right? So after 1 second, you would express it as 3,000 minus 3.5 times 1 second, right? After 2 seconds, it would be 3.5 multiplied by 2. But because we do not know the specific amount of seconds, we're just expressing it in terms of S. We're going to write down 3,000 minus 3.5 multiplied by S. And that is going to be the algebraic expression that we're going to be using in order to express a decrement. And that is it pretty much for today, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!